Hello everyone, in this lesson we're going to be talking about logarithms. So we know that 2 squared equals 4 and 2 cubed equals 8, but how do we find the value of x such that 2 raised to the x power is equal to 6? Well, that is where logarithms come into play. So for a definition, we're going to let b and y be positive real numbers with b not equal to 1. The logarithm of y with base b is denoted by log base b of y and is defined as log base b of y equals x if and only if b to the x power is equal to y. And so we have two different forms that we write this in. Log base b of y equals x is in logarithmic form. And b to the x equals y is in exponential form. And so these two equations are equivalent to each other. So for example, with this 2 to the x equals 6, I can rewrite that into logarithmic form, and that would be that x is equal to log base 2 of 6. So these two forms are equivalent to each other, and logarithmic form helps us find the value of that exponent that makes that equation true. So let's go ahead and practice rewriting in these forms. So we're going to rewrite each of these into exponential form. So number 1, I have log base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. So this base 2 is still going to be the base in my exponential form. Like I see here, this b still is my base. So this 2 is my base. The x is your exponent. So what's equal to becomes your exponent. So that means my 4 is the exponent. And then it's equal to 16. And you can check your work with this, and so I can see, well, does this equation make sense? Well, 2 raised to the 4th power is in fact 16, so I'm good. Number 2, have log base 4 of 1 is equal to 0. So my base 4 is still the base in my equation. My exponent is what it's equal to, and it's equal to 1. Check my work, 4 raised to the 0 power is 1. Number 3, log base 12 of 12 is equal to 1. So my base 12 is still my base here. What it's equal to is my exponent, and equal to 12. Check my work, 12 to the 1st power is 12. And then last one, log base 1/4 of 4 is equal to -1. My base of 1/4 is still my base. What it's equal to is my exponent, and then it's equal to 4.